what inspired you for this gesture that you are helping many people out for this Mahakumbh Mela for their trips and arranging them and helping them and inspiring them? I think you wanted to go to Mahakumbh and then you have now 10, 15 people joining you now for this entire trip. So
Yeah,
can
yeah,
you
yeah.
tell us a little more about how this happened and what inspired this?
So, just 1 second. I
Sure.
have to turn off some notifications, which I will do right now.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will keep ringing.
Correct. The WhatsApp notifications usually.
Yeah, I
Uh,
know. Sorry. Yeah. So, so basically, I had planned to go to
yes.
the Mahakumbh last year in September, and then we started
Okay.
to look around. And uh, after the entire schedule was released and the places to stay and all of that happened, I booked myself a place. Little realizing that this is such a momentous event that a lot of people would want to join. Had I known that beforehand, I would have probably booked more tents. But
Okay.
eventually, now, a lot of my cousins are joining, and we've become a big group of 8 people from one person.
Wow.
Uh, and in the course of looking for accommodation and looking for places to stay, I happened to come across, some accommodation which was available at some period of time. So I
Okay.
sent messages out to my friend circle saying, hey, if you're looking at a place to stay from so and so date to so and so date, this is available right now on an
Wow.
online portal. And I'll be happy to help you make the booking. And so a lot of people who connected with me asked me if I'm doing this as a company owner, as the founder of East India Travel, and what is in it for me. And
Correct.
for the last couple of days, I've been taking a lot of calls. I've been doing research on my own to see if there's something available or not. And I've told everybody that no, this is something that I'm doing absolutely free of cost. The time I'm spending looking for accommodation for people based on their travel dates, helping them with the travel plans, that is how to reach Prayagraj, and all of that. I'm doing all of this without taking any money, because
That's amazing.
I just felt that this is something that it's a kind of service. It's a seva. So if there are people who want to go to the Kumbh Mela, it is my duty to facilitate it, and that's what I'm doing. Got a call this morning also. Unfortunately, the dates that they were looking at, the tents are not available. But yes,
Ah,
my colleague and I, we spent the time on it. We looked for air connectivity for them. We gave him all the explanations and all the airfares and everything. And unfortunately, the tents are not available. But I've told him that if I come across something, because I am continuously looking at the online portals, and when there's a cancellation and a tent or a room becomes available, I immediately then call that person or send a message to that person and
correct.
tell them that this is available, and I send a screenshot of the cost. And
Mm.
like my friend from Delhi, she wanted to go with her husband. Her husband is a very famous journalist,
Oh,
and so I found a date which was in which the tent was available, sent her a screenshot, put her UPI ID, she paid for it, and now she's going to Prayagraj as well. So
that's amazing. It's straightforward. There is no transferring it to you or this directly
nothing.
they book it. You just
You can
connect both
just
the
book it
partners.
yourself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just, like I said, this is Seva.
It's amazing. I think before even you go there, you're doing such a good karma already. This is
Yeah,
amazing. I mean, a lot of people are going there, but they are not in the right space, doing the right things, but they're taking a dip anyway, you know. But I think what matters is actually being righteous and being having that integrity throughout the lifetime journey. I think that counts more than just a specific time and a specific place only when you're trying to get some of your sins washed away. So this is amazing, Ritu. I